How to turn off or on storage permission on pet profiles on Amazon Shopping on Android or iOS phone. First, open Amazon Shopping and then click these three lines here and then settings, and now click permissions, and now just wait for it a few seconds. Now scroll until you find here is it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.